Hello everybody, in this YouTube tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use a free tool called Google Docs in order to set an assignment for students and then give them written feedback on their writing. So first thing you have to do is to go to Google Docs and click on the link Google Docs and then click on personal account. I use the free personal account, and then next you click start a new document. Now this looks just like Microsoft Word. It's very similar except that it's free. First thing you have to do is give a title to your document. I'm going to call my document giving feedback, and then I'm going to set the task. Okay, so let's suppose I want to set a writing task for my student where they have to write an email using the past tense. Then once you've set that, you should click share. You can share the link with your student and click on shareable link, and make sure that you click that the student can edit. If you click only view, they will only be able to see it. You want them to be able to type on it. Okay, and then the next thing you can do, make sure that they can edit, copy the link. Okay, now this is copied to your clipboard now, or you can click here and get the link. There are two ways to do it, and then you can share that link to your student. Another thing you can do, if you know your student's email address, is you can type it here and send them the link. So I'm going to do that now. And then click on advanced. You can send a copy to yourself if you want. Okay, you can also prevent other people editing it or changing access. And then click send. Now your student should now have access to that document. So let's log in as a student. So as you can see, I've got invitation to edit a Google Doc. So your student will log into their email, they'll click on it, they'll open the task in Google Docs. Okay, this is the document. So let's suppose that your student sees the task, it's a writing task, and they can then start writing. So I'm going to paste a sample email to save time. Okay, so let's say they've pasted this. Let's make the fonts a bit bigger. Now, as you can see, the teacher's copy, they'll be able to see the changes that the student has made. You'll be able to see an icon over here. If you see an icon over here, that means your student has logged in. You can go in and make changes. Now if you look here, there are marked in blue and red. So red means a spelling mistake and blue means a grammatical error. You can explain that to your student. So if you want to give feedback to your student, you need to use the editing function. So I'm going to zoom in on that, edit mode, and make suggestions. Okay, now I'm going to give feedback. So let's see what mistakes he's made. So he's got a mistake, he used the wrong tense. Okay, you can even click on the suggestions, say went to, and as you can see, the changes are marked in green. Okay, you can click on here, and the suggestion is had a picnic. Click on that, or you can even type it yourself. And here I'm going to change that to sandwiches. And if you scroll to the right hand side of the screen, you can see all of these changes that I've made. Okay, your student will be able to see all of that. Okay, and here better. Okay, change gooder to better, very to every, iPlan. Okay, that should be, I'm going to correct that one myself, should be capitalized. Okay, and it doesn't spot everything, but you can, okay, that should be a question mark. Okay, if you look here, the day before is said 2 times. Okay, so maybe we might change that to make it sound less repetitive. We can change that to on Friday. And that's the end. Okay, so your student will be able to see all of these changes. Now let's log on as a student and see the changes. So I'm going to click on another browser. Your student will be able to see this. All of the changes have been made by your teacher, so if they want to accept them, they can click on tick. Okay, so tick, accept. Okay, if they agree with the changes, tick. I'm going to just accept all of them. Accept the changes. If they don't want to accept, they can decline. Okay, reject them. Okay. And now we have a complete email feedback. So if you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to my channel to get more free videos on how to teach online and how to use digital tools in order to help you teach better in an online environment. Thank you.